Hey guys, Sandy here. Welcome back to the channel. I am unboxing my fridge bins. Now this is the iDeisgn kitchen and pantry storage bins 18-piece set that is available at Costco right now. Now the normal price on this bad boy is $99.99. However, right now they do have $20 extra off. I don't know how it lasts. I didn't look that close at the ticket. All I saw was it was marked down 20 bucks cheaper and I had to have them. So we're gonna pull them out. We're gonna get excited over them together and then I'm gonna use them in my room. So let's see what they look like. All right guys, I am super excited to open these with you guys. Okay, it is a large box, people, a large box. Okay. First one we got going here, we got two of this size, which I can't even tell you what size they are, but I love them. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay. Two of this size too. Ooh, that's gonna hold some awesome stuff. Yes. Okay. Two more of those long, skinny ones. Now these will fit on a calic shelf. I think they'll also fit on my other bookcase, but just that way. Okay, one that is a little bit wider. I love the fact that they have height to them and they're not super short. Two more of this size that was in that first row. Ho, 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 and we got doubled ones. All right, so four of these and four of these. So, four of these. And then four of these. So they seem to be the same height as the longer ones. They're just a little bit shorter. I am so excited. I am getting rid of some cardboard and some really old baskets that are breaking. I am stupid excited to put these up in my room. So thanks for opening these with me, and I will see you guys again real soon for another video.